Hey folks, welcome to another episode of DIY Buddy Guy. Today I am working on a 2010 Hyundai Sonata and had a fault code for the MAP sensor, the manifold air pressure sensor. This is the new part. This little ridiculous thing has one bolt holding it in an O-ring, and it costs about $70 to $90 depending where you purchase it from. It's located right here behind the throttle body. So you have your air filter, air intake, and then you have you see where your air intake goes into your throttle body, and then right here, this little part right here, I'll put a red dot on it for you. This part right here is your manifold air pressure sensor, and it works similar to a mass airflow sensor. It's a plastic housing, which is interesting to note. Here's the bolt that was very well rusted and corroded. It was a challenge to get that out without breaking it. I used a breaker bar, a small 3/8 drive breaker bar, because it wasn't a ratchet, and the purpose was you can tighten it and then loosen it, and then tighten it and loosen it, and work it back and forth gently, and then it'll gradually loosen up. But if you just go putting something on there and reefing on it, you're going to break the bolt. And it's only a plastic housing. There may be a metal insert in there, but I'll show you a picture of that when I get it out. Okay, so the trick to getting it out is to pay somebody else to do it. But if you're not going to do that, what I did was I took this mechanics bar here and just gently pried and was able to work it sideways. And what was holding it was the rubber O-ring that has been in there since creation, or 15 years thereabout. And work it loose, and all you do now is pull it out. So there's the hole down there where that one came out of. It's a plastic housing with a metal grommet inside the plastic, which is where this bolt was kept. What I did was I wire brushed the bolt, and then I used some penetrating oil to spray the rust and stuff out of that hole and grease these threads. I was going to show you the old one, but it fell down into the belly pan, and I guess I'll find it in the driveway later. Don't really care at this point. The new one has an O-ring on it, and what you want to do is apply some oil. You can just pull out the dipstick from the motor, wipe some motor oil on that O-ring, and then install it. Make sure it's seated, this flat face is seated against the plastic housing, and start your bolt by hand, finger tight, and then just touch it down a little bit with a ratchet. Tight is tight, too tight is broke. Thanks for watching.